I'm in a dilemma mode, guys. I got this caravan. Now it's a work caravan, but at the end of the day, it's still a caravan. Um, the problem we have, and I'm getting ready to replace this, guys. Let me explain something to you, caravan owners. When you hear this, when you see this, or when you hear this going bad, they give off a weird noise when they about to really fail. In fact, watch this video right here. I explain it. I ended up replacing this. You can replace the door lock actuator without doing the complete latch. All right, latch is expensive, so some people want to just do them both because you will eventually need a latch. So it depends on how your finances is set up. But there was a lady, I had a customer one time, just wanted to do. That's all she can afford. Same labor because I got to take the latch off to get to this. But it was making noise. These will eventually seize up, guys. Let me explain something to y'all what happens when it seize up. When it seize up, you can't, it won't move, right? Now, depending on what position, what goes in here is a, what they call it. This is the door lock actuator, a rod. Okay, a rod that go here and it travels all the way up here. All right, to the open release mechanism. If this door lock actuator is jammed and you go and try to open the door, it won't move because the actuator is jammed, which means you can't even open the door. Okay, yes, I've done countless of these. So if you got a door that's seized up, now my problem is on the left door. This one you can get in and out. You can open this. Okay, so I've been known to charge accordingly. In order to get a seized door open, guys, the door panel has to come off and you have to finagle your way down here to unseize. Either take this rod off or try your best to unseize it. With a little force, you can unseize it. Once you get it unseized, then you can open the door. Then you can proceed to replace it. Because at the end of the day, just because you unseize it don't mean you fixed it, guys. That's not a fix, okay? That is an emergency cover-up, all right? So I want y'all to understand that. But my thing is, the dilemma I'm faced right now, yes, I need one of these. We end up getting a complete latch. I'm getting ready to put it on, but let me show y'all my dilemma. All right, let me backtrack. Remember, the only way to get into a sliding door that will not open because the actuator sees is you can get it open, but you have to go through the inside panel. In other words, remove the door panel, work your arm down there, remove a couple of panels, and so you can gain access to this and get this unseized. Now, we got that out the way. All right. I can't even do that, guys. And I'm going to show y'all why in a second. Let me take a break right quick. When I get back, I'm going to show y'all the dilemma that I ran into. All right? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right. We're at the minivan. Okay. This is the right sliding door. This is not my problem. My problem's on the left side. But as y'all can see, this is a work vehicle. All right? There's nothing wrong with the right side sliding door. The problem is on the left side. Let's go to the left side. All right. Now, the problem, guys, this is the door that seized. All right, you can't unlock it because remember, guys, the actuator is froze up. Like let me show y'all the latch. This will not even move. Remember, there's a rod on here. You really don't want to bend that rod, but it doesn't matter because the actuator seized. You can't put the lock actuator in the unlock position so you can unlock the door. So the door is in essence stuck in lock mode. Like I say, there's a do around that, but you have to remove the panel. My only problem is stuff. Do y'all see all this stuff? Let me see if I can even let the window down back here. Yes, I can let the window down. So how on earth, I don't want to put the man business on display, but how on earth am I going to get this door panel off? I will have to crawl the way I do it on previous cars. When the other side is not seized, I crawl through the other side, get over here, remove the panel, and unseize this so I can proceed with replacing the latch. But look at my dilemma, guys. Do y'all understand what I'm talking about? Oh man, so I don't know how we're gonna deal with this because I still can't fix. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm a big fan of Work vehicles ain't no problem. That's not my issue. It's just I can't get inside the freaking car to get the panel off. So I have to go. I got to go talk to the customer. Can I get this panel off from right here? No, absolutely not. Or can I? No, because I have to be down on the bottom. There's push pins on the bottom of this thing. And I can't even clear this out because I can't get... Oh no. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Remember, guys, my beef is not from all his... Well, I guess it could be considered that. I can't get inside the sliding door. That's my whole point. And this is why. Alright, so let me go talk to somebody, man. Damn, I have to be able to... I just did one of these the other day, guys. I done got to the point where I'm real fast at it and good. Even if the door sees, a lot of people panic. Oh my God, my door won't open. That's in the emergency state. And I was going to actually film how you can get that door. Now, get that door to open manually from an emergency standpoint. Now, I will say this, guys. I want to go out on a limb and say this is not a DIY job, replacing this, because there's a lot can go wrong. Yes, the panel have to come off. If you're good with trim, maybe you can pull it off, but some people much rather take the whole door off. I do not. I just take the panel off and go from the inside. But yeah, it's so many little gadgets and gadgets that can easily break and leave you frustrated. But I know, guys, finance is finances. So if yours is in jeopardy because of this job, then make your own decision accordingly. But I don't know how I'm going to get to that other side to remove that panel, to disengage the latch off of here so this lock actuator would go in an unlock position so I can open the door. So here's what happened. If this lock actuator is in a lock position, no matter if you turn the level or not, it cancels it out. So you can't open the door by way of releasing the latch. There's no way to get to this latch if the door is closed. So you have to get to the actuator that's inadvertently attached to the latch. So do around to everything. All right. I'm not sure if there's something in the manual that states how to get a door open. This is the only way I know. I will look it up and find out. But for now, I'm in a dilemma. All right, guys. No sense whining to y'all about it. I know y'all like to listen to this stuff, but I got to find a way. I got 4 or 5 hours tied up into this job. I really need these 4 or 5 hours. That's how much it pays to get this job done, but I can't even move because of it. So let me go talk to management, guys. I'm going to end this video. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.